Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm unboxing the new Peanuts box, Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. This one is so adorable. I can't wait to actually use the products in here. It's such a good collab and I'm excited Snoopy and all the gang are going to be in our planners. So yeah, very excited for that. So I'm going to flip through, actually unbox and flip through all the things that are available in this box. If you're interested in purchasing, I do have my affiliate link down in the description, and it'll lead you to the site, to the Happy Planner site, and you'll be able to find the Be Happy box there. So cute. And it's seasonal. It's seasonal too, which is my favorite. So I'm so happy to see that. So let's unbox this and look at the cuteness just in the box. Adorable. And then it's got this really fun like tissue paper, a little Snoopy sticker. Okay, I have to try to like not rip him. Sometimes I don't really care if I rip the sticker or not, but this one I do want to keep. Okay, and then also the paper, this tissue paper will be good to use in a spread. So keep that in mind. But this thing is filled with adorable product. Look at this. This is just the card that has the info of the items in this box, and it's adorable too. So yeah, as you can see, we got lots of cool products here, some different items, and I'm going to flip through. I'm going to unwrap all this stuff and then flip through and show you all the things. Okay, and like I said, don't throw this paper. You got to use this paper, whether you do like junk journaling, memory planning, even in a planner spread, you could totally use this. This is so cute. It's like little comic book strips. Like, look how adorable this is. Yeah, definitely will be repurposing this. So don't throw this away. Also the sticker. Don't rip the Snoopy sticker. Those are keepable things. Must keep. Also the box is so cute. I've been really good about not keeping boxes and things like that, but this one is just, everything's too adorable. All right, so first up we have a pen pouch. It's one of those like silicone ones, which are nice. It says find your happy, and look, you got Snoopy and Woodstock just hanging about and doing all their fun things, their seasonal things, which is nice. This one looks like very summery. So cute. Okay, and then it's a little pen pouch, so you can put pens, you could put your markers, you could put your correction tape, little scissors. That all fits nicely in here. And I like these little silicone ones. I have a couple of them in other patterns from the Happy Planner, and I always like to have these in my planner stash for when I'm traveling or want to go somewhere with stuff. So that keeps everything. Oh, because you know what? Recently on a trip when I went to Europe, I put a pen. I don't know why I did this. I put a pen at the bottom of my bag. And then when I got home, it leaked everywhere. And I don't know why I didn't put it in the pen pouch. But that, if I would have had this pen pouch, it would not have leaked through and ruined like my bag. It also ruined some shoes that I had put the bag on top of. A mess. It was a mess. So yeah, these are great to have on hand just to keep everything safe from all that ink. Okay, and then we have these 3 washies. The washi are really adorable. I have them swatched out, but you do get, this one's my favorite one because I love a good patterned washi. So that one's nice. I like the size too. And then you have these really fun Snoopy ones here where he like different scenes. And then you have the whole gang here. All the kids on that one. So I have it swatched out here so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, they're so cute. I love it. All right, so that's the washi, 3 rolls of washi. And then you get some paper. Like, look how adorable the paper is. With the little clouds. And then you got Snoopy, Woodstock. And it's a blue background. It says dream big right here. And it is like a dotted line. It's really hard to tell on camera. It's actually really hard to tell in person. But there's like a faint white dotted line going across the page. Here's the back. Adorable. And then you get 2 styles of paper. So you get a few of those sheets. And then you get this one. You have all the kids on the bottom hanging out with a rainbow. Today is yours. And in the back, you get a little bit on the corner. And this, again, is dotted line paper. Really cute. Everything's gonna be cute in here. So I'm sorry if I say it a bajillion times, but everything's cute. And then you get this little, is this an iron-on? Hold on, let me look at this little patch. I want to see if it's like an iron-on one. It's an embroidered patch. It just says, oh, it's adhesive. Okay, so it is adhesive. I think, yeah, you could probably remove this backing right here, and it says it's adhesive. So that's good. So you got Snoopy, and it's that chenille fabric, which I always like that kind of fabric. Feels good. Okay, so there's that little patch. Look at these adorable little notepads. So cute. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this like in my kitchen or something. They're just so fun. So we have this one, and they're just like notepads. It's just loose paper. It's not a sticky note or anything like that. But you could also use this in your planner if you wanted to use it, like tape it into your planner. You could totally do that. Look at that one. I love the colors, very summery. So you get 2 nice stacks of some note paper. Oh, you get a really cute pen with all the, I like the colorful lines going through. And then you have all the characters on the barrel. Nice twist pen. Okay, and then we have, I think we only have 2 more things left. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Okay, in the Be Happy boxes recently, they've been coming out with planners, but they've been like giving you upgraded planner covers, and these tend to only be like, these covers are like only in these boxes. So I'm hoping that one day we'll see more like Snoopy stuff, because we're seeing it in a box, and we'll see more things, but this cover will probably just be in this box. Oh, all this product will just be in this box, but this cover, this one is so cute. It's very like summer vibes, which I love. It looks like a little bumblebee, but it's not. But look how cute it is. And it's that nice like deluxe cover. I forgot what they call them. Do they call them deluxe cover? Let me see. Oh yeah, they do. It's a deluxe classic undated planner. Okay, so this is deluxe cover. Also, it has metal discs, and I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, I'm trying to twist it so you can kind of see the pattern a little bit better. Oh yeah, so you can see his head. So there is a Snoopy cut out in the center. So you have like Snoopy discs here, which is really cool. But this cover, I love this cover. It's so cute. So it says, do what makes you happy. And again, you have Snoopy and Woodstock on the cover. Okay, let's go through the planner. Again, this is an undated planner. Let me move my desk up a little bit. You get this little sheet here. Oh, the inside has yellow polka dots and has this yellow going down the center. This is to put the months on the tabs, so you'll be able to label those. The name page here, and then you have like the currently page. You got a little Snoopy. This is seasonal, so we're gonna have, this one would be the January section, January divider. So here's the January. So I would say just be mindful of that. If you were to get this planner, you don't start it, like if you want to start it now, you would want to like start with the tab that has the season for what we're in right now. At least that's what I would do. I would do that. So yeah, how you have them all playing in the snow. Then you got this nice monthly here, which is kind of neutral, but it does have like a little pattern going down. It's very faint though. Look at Snoopy and his coat. And that puffy coat. It's so funny. Okay, and then you get very neutral pages, which I love, because I like to have like full creative control over this page. Now it does have like a little bit of pattern, but it's very, very faint, where it won't like compete with whatever spread you're doing on here, because you can't really notice it too much. Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of pattern here. Okay, so there. Okay, so we have, is that Linus? I'm really bad with the character names. I'm really bad with the character names. Well, I know Snoopy and Woodstock and like Charlie Brown and Lucy. I know there's a Linus. Yeah. Then it starts going out of my head. Okay, so we have a little illustration there, but again, you could cover that up very easily on the sidebar if you don't want it there. But maybe if you're doing a seasonal you know, Peanuts theme spread, you can keep it there. And then it gives you more of a blank one for the next week. And then you have, oh, you have Lucy. But I think this is cute. I think that every other week having a little decor on it is cool. It's not very big. And I think it's funny, like seeing the new decor. And some people like having that. So yeah, that's a nice little touch. That's so cute. I'm excited because they're all going to be different in here, right? They're going to be different little illustrations. You got Woodstock in the puffy jacket. Okay, yeah, because it's seasonal. So now we're going into February theme for Valentine's. Love drives me crazy. Again, they're so cute. I don't know if I should flip through all of them because if you get it, I'd want you to be surprised. But it looks like every other week. This does have a like a little illustration and then a blank one. And then the pattern does change on here to match the season. So it has hearts for Valentine's Day. I like these little conversation hearts there. It's a really cute touch. Now we're going into March. We'll do this one because this is my birth month. So it's a little bit more colorful with the rainbow. This one does have more color. So again, if you're into that, this is going to be fun. A fun one to incorporate into your spreads. Okay, so we got rainbows. Pigpen? Is that his name? I feel like that's his name. Okay, so I won't flip through all of them. But I love that there's completely different illustrations on each page. Let's go to the Christmas one because I want to see the Christmas ones. Okay, we'll go through the dividers. You can kind of get an idea of the illustrations. Okay, so we have a nice day. Okay, and then this one will have like flowers going down the center. Oh, this one's really pretty too with the flower. The house is made of flowers. So again, flowers. I really like this seasonal version. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Summer. The road trip. Little van. This one has little like daisies going down. The palm tree. So cute. Okay, let's see one of these. I love palm trees. I like the color tones too. It's kind of muted, which is cool. So cute. Okay, and then you got more colorful one on this with some ice creams going down the center. Another summer one. Again, love this color scheme for this one. And this one has little clouds going down the center. I don't know if you can tell. Little clouds. Really nice. Then we're into the fall section. The Halloween section. Little stars and bats going down the center. Love that. Let's see one of them. They're in their costumes. Cute. This gets me excited for what's in that sticker book because this is like really good illustrations. Okay, then we got November for Thanksgiving. And then December. We'll go through December since we're in December. But love that already. And then you get lights. The lights going down the center. That's good. Then we have that one. That one. The Christmas tree is so cute. Santa. Absolutely adorable. Oh, and you get all the pattern on the back. I like that. Sometimes they do like blank on the back, but I love that they also put the pattern on the back too. So it's double-sided. Yay. Okay, so that is a great planner. Love that. When I do I have to remember when I do a peanut spread in my planner, I'm going to have to pull these pages out so I can use them. So they're seasonally themed to the spread. Okay, now we're going to go into the sticker book. Very excited for this because I already love what I saw, the illustrations I saw in there. Okay, so first up we have the Christmas section. Like, look how adorable these are. So cute. Got some boxes. Them and their little coats are so funny. Yeah, I could definitely make a really cute seasonal spread with these stickers. Them singing, caroling. Okay, next is, I'm assuming this is spring because we got like a rabbit and some basket of eggs. Okay, and then this is, I kind of don't like that this is foiled. I wish they wouldn't have done that, but they're cute. And then we have the Valentine's Day one, the spring, more of the spring stickers. So you got the spring vibes here. Okay, the summer section. These are so cute. The road trip one, carefree, float on. To do, those little to do ones are cute. Love that. It's like a very black, like just the black outlines. A little bit of color. That's a cool look. Again, the road trip little van. Some circle stickers. Okay, then we're in the Thanksgiving and Halloween, the fall stickers. Them in their costumes, so cute. Here they are in their costumes. Okay, and these are, what are these? Okay, these are like little strips, like washi strips. And then we have some quotes with decor. Scary Movie Club, Spooky Vibes, October 31st. Falling for You. Sweater Weather. And these are like non-seasonal. I feel like the Christmas section, they did really, really well. And then yeah, the Christmas section is really good. This section is amazing with the decor. It's still good though. It's still good. I definitely can make some really cute spreads with that. And I'm really excited to use this soon in a spread. Because I for sure will be doing a Christmas theme spread with the peanuts featured in it. So cute. Really adorable stuff. All right, so that is everything that came in the peanuts box. Yeah, that's my little unboxing of this Be Happy box. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.